One-sided instant hem tape is an easy-to-use tool for clothing repair or hemming. Simply apply it to your garment, folding over frayed edges or taking in incorrect lengths for a seamless finish. First, try on the garment and determine where you'd like the new hem to lay. Flip the clothing article inside out to expose the inside, and using a ruler, gently mark where the pant legs need to be trimmed in order to create the new hem. Cut the pants a little longer than this ideal length, as you'll need to fold the bottom up and apply the hem tape over the fold to create a smooth finished hem. Cut your adhesive tape to the length of the hem you will be covering, leaving a little extra room. If your hem tape needs soaking, let it sit in water for 3 to 5 minutes. Then take it out and apply the adhesive side of the tape, which looks shiny with white woven strings, over the cut hem that has been folded up to your desired length. Ensure that the tape lays straight and covers all of the edges of the fold. Using an iron, press the hem tape to seal it. If your garment material is not cotton, it is recommended to use a press cloth in between the iron and your item. Setting the iron on medium heat and press on individual sections of the hem tape for about 10 seconds each, without sliding the iron between applications. Use your weight to press each section until you've made it around the entire hem and locked the hem tape in place. Wait for the material to cool before you try on and admire your newly hemmed pants.